ladies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be filming for the April and May Premium Boxy Charm. So, ooh, oh, I just hit myself in the face. Here's the box. Okay, that's a good way to start the video. So the theme for the April box is festival vibes, and let's just go get right into the box. Yes, let's get in there. And the first item that I see here is the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Now this does retail for $26, and it's a one swipe it all you need for sky high lashes with this volumizing and lengthening mascara. Precise bristles grab and coat every lash for a flirty and fanned out effect, while jet black pigment intensely saturates. It's smudge proof, flake proof, and water resistant for all day wear. I love mascara that's flake proof and water resistant and smudge proof because I get bad allergies, and I actually took off my eyelashes right before filming this video because of the simple fact that no matter what I tried to do to keep them on, my eyes weren't having it. So I'm gonna definitely be trying this mascara here. Okay, next I see this. This is the Juice Beauty. It's the organic solution. It's a photo pigment liquid lip, and this retails for $24. It says it feels like a soft lip balm to the touch. Applies like a slick liquid lipstick and wears like a lip stain. Ooh, formulated with the Juice Beauty exclusive blend of an intense concentration of plant-derived pigments from Cape Lilac and I don't even know what that word, cocosina? Am I saying that right? Cocine? I don't know. But it's cold pressed oils and a fruit stem. Okay, hold on. Let me back up. It's it's a plant derived pigment from Cape Lilac and cocosina. Cold pressed oils and a fruit stem cell serum. I don't know, guys. Okay, so this retails for $24. One moment. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so we went over that. Next I have this Lavido. I don't know. It's inspired by nature. It's a age away replenishing cream, and it firms, hydrates, and repairs. This is right up my alley, but this is for dry, mature skin. I don't have dry skin. I do get dry depending on what I'm doing to my skin, like if I'm trying to exfoliate or if I do too much of a certain product, I can get like dried out, but typically I'm oily in my T-zone, but we'll just see how it works. Now this does retail for $69. Wow. And it's made with 11 innovative organic plant actives. This anti-aging solution is clinically proven to diminish the appearance of dryness, wrinkles, and rough texture while it deeply moisturizes mature skin. I might let Sarah try this. By the way, Sarah is my youngest daughter, who is 15, and she is really into skincare right now. So I'm interested in seeing what this looks like. Oh, for $69. Wow, that's tiny. But a little bit always goes a long ways. So yeah. Okay, next I do have this Cover FX primer. This is the Water Cloud Primer. And this retails for $38, and it's a cooling mousse primer that instantly refreshes the complexion and defends skin against pollution and blue light, enriched with a plankton extract to help work against the effects of blue light emissions and urban pollutants. Wear it alone or under makeup to nourish and protect skin all day long. So yeah. Yes. What about it? Yes, that one. And this, did I tell you this was $38? I'm sorry, my son keeps interrupting me when I tell him don't interrupt me while I'm filming. So let's back up. It's $38, and that's a hefty price. But I actually like Cover FX products. They have really good products. Okay, so next I have 3 makeup brushes. I'm not even gonna take these out the packaging because I have a lot of makeup brushes, guys. I might just get these, but I wanted to show you guys what they look like. Anyways, whoever gets these has to wash them anyway, so even if I touch them, it's okay. Hold on. So it's 3, and these retail for, let's see, $40. These are the Opulent Beauty Crystal Clear 3-piece brush collection. It's a full-size, ultra-soft, cruelty-free, crystal clear brush collection. Oh my god. And you can create a flawless canvas for makeup. Effortlessly and flawlessly apply your favorite skincare, foundation, complexion products, highlighters, and powders. So that's what this is for. Now I have a lot of brushes. Guys, I don't need any more. I don't even think Sarah's gonna want these, so I'm gonna literally give these away. Lastly, guys, you always gotta save the best for last. So let me just close this box here, put it on the floor. And when I open the box, because I've opened these boxes, I mean, come on guys, we're already at the end of May. Seriously, like I couldn't even contain myself when I get the box. So anyhow, I got the Manny MUA Life's a Drag eyeshadow palette, and I'm so excited to show you guys this palette. It's so gorgeous. Now, this palette does retail for $45, but you know what? I think it's worth it. I mean, the packaging itself is lovely. I love rose gold. I think it's such a pretty, classy color. Yeah, Lunar Beauty, guys. So I'm gonna take it out of the box. Guys, when I talk about the packaging being amazing, I mean, this guy does not, this is not cheap at all. Like, this is, you can knock somebody out with this palette. Anyhow, so here it is, Life's a Drag, and then in the back it says Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag color palette, and it has all his social media on the back. If you guys don't know who Manny MUA is, you gotta go find him on YouTube. It literally, it's, you just type in Manny MUA and he pops up. So that said, this is the color lineup on the palette. Now it does come with a makeup brush, which is a plus. If you want to take this on the go, you could just take the brush right with you. Okay, it's not coming out, but this is what the mirror looks like. Oh my gosh, guys, how cute is that? It's adorable, and it says be a queen. And this is the color lineup on the palette, and it has gorgeous colors. Oh my gosh, guys, I cannot wait to use this palette. Now this palette I will use. I'll use this palette. Love it, guys. Yeah, guys, so let's just go ahead and move on to the next box. Now, I don't have a theme card for the month of May. Why? I have no idea. That happens sometimes, and I just have to go online to look for the theme card on Boxy Charm. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see. Okay, guys, so I cannot find the theme list on here for some reason. I don't know where, but I'm just wasting time. So let me just go ahead and go over all the products, and then all the deeds on these products will be in the description box down below. So again, this is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy what in the hell is wrong with me? Restructing Truffle Eye Contour Concentrate. And because I can't give you the full details on here, I am so sorry. This is what it looks like, and I can't wait to try it. Ooh, yeah, so it's just an eye concentrate. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna put that in there. Next, I do have this PUREHEALS, yeah. It's a Centella 90 ampoule. What is it though? It's a serum or what? I don't know. I'm so sorry, guys. This is why the theme cards are very important, but here you go. And I don't know what this is for exactly, but I could sit here forever and try to go over this with you. And yeah, great. It relieves irritations of sensitive skin. What is this? I don't know what this is, guys, but I'll have it linked down below, okay? So it's a skincare product, that's what I do know, and that's about it. So yeah, that sucks. I'm sorry. So I received this in May's box. I did receive this Milk Makeup. This is a glimmer. What is this? It's a glow oil for lips and cheeks. What? Lip and cheek? I get, okay. So let me just open this up here, and oh, okay. Did I just, let me see what this is. Ooh, that's cute. So I'm going to assume, guys, that it's a blush. Oh my god, hold that thought. I am so sorry about that. Okay, I'm putting this back on here because we don't want this to smear all over the place. Okay, So this is a product by Milk, and it's for your cheeks and your lips. Lip and cheek, I don't understand. Okay, again, this is why the theme card is important. So next I do have this Ink Well and Liner by Kat Von D. I think it's now KVD. If I'm right, she sold the company, and yeah. Okay, this is a pink eyeliner, and I'm going to just swatch this. Ooh, that's so pretty. I so would wear this. I'm not even joking. I would absolutely wear this, and I love the packaging. It's so cute. Let me see how it dries down. Guys, I hate that I don't have the freaking theme card. So basically this is a long wear matte eyeliner. Yeah, so did it dry down? Ooh, it's kind of sticky, but let it dry down and we'll get back to it. Next, I do have this Best Bud. This is a sugar, what is it? Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud. It's a lip butter balm. And it's, yeah, it's just a butter balm. So, oh, that's cute. It has cute packaging. It's like a little rose lid or top. That smells pretty, and it's for the lips, so we will be trying that later on tonight. You know what, guys? I'm going to start making videos on products that I receive. It just makes a lot of sense to do that. Unfortunately, guys, I don't know much about any of the stuff that I have in this box, but again, I will link it down below. And this is by Sugar Rush Beauty, and it's a lip butter balm. I'm going to give this to Sarah. My throat feels really dry. Lastly, I did receive this Too Faced Natural Mattes eyeshadow palette. It's so pretty. Or the packaging is so pretty, I should say. Let me just take it out of the box. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This I did not take out of the box when I opened it. I just kind of looked and I put it away and I got to doing what I had to do. But look at this. This is so gorgeous. Okay, hold on, guys. So here is the lineup of the palette. Guys, I love warm and neutral colors. I mean, I'm obsessed. And since I'm a lot older, I really don't like doing heavy makeup anymore. I don't like doing the heavy foundation. I really have been sticking to either no foundation or like a CC cream. And my foundation Fridays are going to be turning into CC cream Fridays because I'm on the hunt for CC creams that will work good with my skin type, which is oily skin in my T-zone. But anyhow, yeah, so what I like about these Too Faced palettes, they do give you like how to apply your eyeshadow little booklets here. And anyhow, guys, if you didn't know how, there's so many YouTube videos out there that, believe me, guys, you would learn in a heartbeat if you had that issue. But I have been really leaning more toward a very natural look. As you can see, I really don't do a lot of makeup anymore. Now my brows, I have issues with those, girls. Oh my gosh, let me tell you. I have been trying to grow out my brows for the last 3 years, and I have seen really slight results, but I keep trying. The last resort is definitely going to be microblading, but that is a whole nother video, and we're not going to get into that right now. But I do want to say thank you for watching this video, and there's not really much more to say other than please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that way every time I upload a video you will get notified. And yeah, again, I will list everything about these products down below, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.